from Chicago to Milwaukee to Madison, Minneapolis. Near $1 trillion free to be a part of this high-speed rail, low-speed brain. Walker pulled a switch, Wisconsin missed the train. The future was rolling down that track. Crank the old steam engine, he sent the future back, boys. Crank the old steam engine, he sent the future back. Now think of all the jobs we lost when Walker turned away. All the infrastructure for which Washington would pay. Railroad construction jobs, maintenance and crew. Restaurants and hotels for the people passing through. On high-speed rail, low-speed brain. Walker pulled a switch, Wisconsin missed the train. The future was rolling down that track. Saddle up your pony, he sent the future back, boys. Saddle up your pony, he sent the future back. Now open for business is the motto on the signs. Walker's busy posting on Wisconsin's borderline. Open for business, but not for you and me. Union workers working folk in clean green energy, like high-speed rail, low-speed rain. Walker pulled a switch, Wisconsin missed the train. The future was rolling down that track. Rub two sticks together, he sent the future back, boys. Saddle up the ponies, he sent the future back. Better crank the old steam engine, he sent the future back, yeah. Crank up that Model T, he sent the future back. He sent the future back, 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 he sent the future back. But we'll be sending him back real soon.